Uno rolls 6 standard 6-sided dice simultaneously and calculates the product of the 6 numbers obtained. What is the probability that the product is divisible by 4? We can break this down into 2 cases. So as follows. Case 1 is just going to be the product is not divisible by 2. And I want to find out the probability that this case is going to be true. So I think of all numbers 1 through 6 that are not divisible by 2, and those numbers are 1, 3, and 5. And so the probability of, on your first roll, rolling a 1, 3, or 5 is 1/2. And so to do that 6 times in a row, the probability of doing that is going to be 1/2 to the 6th, which is equal to 1/64. So this is the probability roll. All of them are either a 1, 3, or a 5. Case 2 is the product is divisible by 2, but not 4. So for the product to be divisible by 2, thinking of the numbers between 1 through 6, those numbers are going to be 2. We want a 2 in there. We don't want a 4 because 4 is obviously divisible by 4. 6 is the other number that's just divisible by 2. And so the probability of rolling one of these on any roll is going to be 1/3. And then we want all the other dice we want to roll a 1, 3, or a 5, basically. So this is the probability roll a 2 or 6, and this is a single, and then all 1, 3, or 5. It's going to be 1/3, and then since we want all the other rolls to either be a 1, 3, or a 5, that's going to be 1/2 to the 5th. And the thing about this is here, back in case 1, this considers all permutations, but this does not. So the order is going to matter here. So let's say these are the 1, 3. This is you rolling a 1, 3, or a 5. Your 2 or 6 roll could show up there, could show up there, 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 or there. Basically, within the permutations of rolling these 1, 3, or a 5, there are 6 different options, 6 different arrangements for each combination. So what we need to do to account for that is multiply by 6. And so then this comes out to be 1/16. So the probability that the product is not divisible by 4 is going to be 1/64 plus 1/16, which is going to be 5/64. So therefore, the probability that it is divisible by 4 is 1 minus 5/64, which is 59/64. So the answer is choice C.